Hello, Zigurastika here. Today I'm not on Hypercraft, I'm in Fusion 360 and I am going to be showing you how to make a gear ratio, or like two gears that kind of turn each other. So let's get started. So first we're going to go up here in the tools section. So make sure you're in tools and then click add-ins, where my mouse is right now. So just click on that. Then import add-ins and scroll down to spur gear. Click on that and then click run. And for gear, everything else isn't as important. I will explain that in another video. But here is the teeth. So if you have 24 teeth, if you want a 2-to-1 gear ratio, you're going to need 12 teeth. So depending on the teeth and the gears, the size of one gear determines the size that the others need to be. So I'm just going to go for a size of 12, yeah. So then that means the next one will be 6 or 24, or there's quite a few options. So we'll just click, if you go to up here, ignore that bit, if you go up here to the far left top corner, click on it and then press M, you get these. So again, I'll show you, M, and then click on it and then it gets these good arrows, so you can move it a bit more freely and easier than if you highlight it all. And then we take all of that and then move it just there. Now we need to get a 6 gear. I'm going to go for, yeah, okay. So annoyingly you have to go and do the same thing again, so if you need a lot it takes a while. But yeah, 6 tooth teeth gear. And then this one I'm going to again move it. No, not like that. Yeah, I'm going to click on it up there and then M, and then if I pick it up, drag it into position. It takes a little while, but I would like to get it right. And there we go, it looks good. So then that would turn it and turn that, and it looks decent. So now we're going to create the base. Okay, so now we need to create a new component for the base, which we're going to just right click up here, which is unnamed right now, under design, but it'll be named whatever you save it as. So right click, new component, then you are going to need to just label it, so double click and then name base, then open the origin, and let's create a sketch. Oh, it's not here. If this does happen, just go back to the second option and then create a sketch and just capture in position. Yeah, now line, I'm going to draw across here. I think it's just going to be a random shape, so I'm just going to draw a bunch of lines however I feel, or not even however I feel, just in random shapes that happen to appear. Okay, and there you see there's that little gap just where my mouse is now. That won't work, so you need to fix it. So you can press L and open line and just put a little line in there that fills in the gap. So now it's blue, we can extrude it. So press Q, click on it, and we need to bring it into negative numbers so it comes down. So I'm going to go for -10, but you can put it on anything you want. And now we are going to go up to top view, I think, is it? Wait, So now we're going to right click on base and go up to the second top option, I think, and click on it and then ground, and that means that the base won't move anymore. So now to make the gears turn, we're going to press S, search joint, and go for the as built joint. Now that we've got that, click on either of your gears. I'm going to start with the big one. Oh yeah, change it to a revolute type. And then click on the big gear or the small one. And then once you've clicked on the gear, click on your base. and then you get this weird flaggy circle thing. Click that, put that in the middle of your gear, and then that is that first gear. So click OK. If we click on it and spin it around now, it turns the gear. So we're going to do the same to the smaller gear. So S, yeah, right, yeah. So we press S, then joint, and then as built joint. Capture position doesn't matter. Revolute, click on the gear and the base, and then click in the center. Then you've got another turning gear. The only problem, so the only problem is they don't turn together. So we need to go and make it so they both do turn together. When you turn one, it turns the other. Which, yeah, that's what we need to do. So if you go to assemble, or you can search for it. Is it? Right, give me a minute. Yeah, so you can assemble or search. Go to, which one is it? Motion link, yeah. So you just click on the two joints, the two flag things, and then you see when it shows there that if you turn one, the other one turns. So OK, and yeah, they both turn, which is good. So that's the complete system, I believe. So that's basically how to make a cog with Fusion 360. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next Fusion 360 video if I do one. Bye!